The most appealing lightning protection design system. Lightning strikes happen in a fraction of time, where they can transfer huge amounts of charge and high currents in a single strike. The chances for a structure to be struck by lightning increase as the height increases, thus, tall structures are more prone to lightning. Despite the existing lightning protection design systems available, there are still many cases reported of damage caused by a lightning strike. That is why LEC provides a new approach for a lightning protection system. How is lightning formed? Lightning discharge from cloud to ground stems from a stepped leader initiated in a cloud and increases the electric field within its path. As a stepped leader approaches ground level or the tip of the grounded structures, the electric field increases to such an extent that it discharges, and connecting leaders start to propagate towards the downward leader in an attempt to connect, to equal the potential difference. Most negative cloud-to-ground flashes contain more than one stroke, generally 3 to 4, and, in major cases, the first stroke is usually 2 to 3 times larger than the following subsequent strokes. We introduce to you our patented spline ball terminal, SBT. Hybrid protection in its primary mode, the SBT lowers the risk of direct strikes through a phenomenon known as charge transfer, where a well-grounded point exchanges ions between the air and the earth. This ionizing capability helps keep the local electric field below lightning potential, making the protected site less likely to experience direct strikes. During intense storm activity, the SBT functions as a highly effective air terminal, safely collecting any strikes it cannot prevent. The SBT's unique design and geometry also enable it to collect an incoming strike from virtually any direction, creating a larger area of protection than a standard air terminal. The SBI advantage: prevents most lightning strikes, minimizes damage potential, stainless steel construction, easy installation. LEC is successfully installing and maintaining SBT lightning protection design systems for companies across the world. For complete protection and all your facilities' lightning protection needs, contact Lightning Eliminators and Consultants Incorporated to find out how to get a comprehensive, tested, and proven lightning protection design system for your company. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@legglobal.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Social media links: www.facebook.com weblink, twitter.com weblink, www.linkedin.com weblink, www.youtube.com weblink.